Is it just me, or do you sometimes feel like HVAC technicians are speaking an alien language just to make you feel clueless about your own home? I recently surveyed hundreds of homeowners about their experience with home repair technicians. The results were shocking. Nearly 70% of people felt that technicians deliberately used complex jargon to justify higher prices. One woman told me her AC repairman spent 10 minutes explaining subcooling differentials before presenting her a $1,200 bill. She had no idea if the repair was actually necessary. But here's what technicians don't realize. Most homeowners don't care about fancy technical terms or impressive expertise. What they actually value is feeling understood and getting clear explanations in plain English. When I spoke with technicians, many genuinely believed that customers wanted to hear all the technical details. They thought it showed competence and justified their rates. But the disconnect is massive. Homeowners make decisions based on emotions, not technical specs. They want to trust the person standing in their living room. The most successful technicians I met did something completely different. They focused on the customer's concerns first. They validated emotions rather than dismissing them. They explained problems in simple terms using analogies that made sense to anyone. And guess what? These technicians had the highest customer retention and referral rates in the industry. So if you're a homeowner, know that you deserve clear communications. And if you're a technician, remember that customers want to feel respected, not impressed. Because at the end of the day, home repairs aren't just about fixing machines. They're about building trust and relationships.